Hey DIY fans! Today I'm going to show you the different qualities of surface coatings depending on which tool you use. Let's start by applying paint to these two test areas here. I'll be using a brush, a roller, and a paint sprayer. Brushes leave a texture. You probably know that from cutting in corners. Even after the paint dries, these marks usually remain visible. Now let's move on to the roller. As you can see, this also leaves a roller texture, so you have to roll over the surface multiple times to make it disappear. Now I'm applying the wall paint with a paint spraying system. When spraying, the paint layer is homogeneous and even. You don't see any texture. After the wall paints, let's now look at the textures of the paint application. Especially when painting, a perfect surface quality is key. Textures are unwanted here and you actually want to achieve a smooth, homogeneous surface. Applying paint with a roller or brush leads to visible tool marks like roller prints or brush strokes on the surface. Sprayed paint jobs have a very fine surface with no texture. That's why, for example, a spraying process is also used when painting cars. The key advantage of the spraying process is that the paint is applied without contact. The texture of the original surface is preserved. In contrast, rollers and brushes have direct contact with the surface. This creates ridges and marks. You can see this especially well on smooth surfaces. You get a perfect smooth surface without tool marks with a paint sprayer. So why not give it a try and just spray it?